As you can see, the skin is on this side now. This side went much smoother than the other side. So, very pleased. I think tomorrow I can work on getting the trim on through here and then start putting jacks back on it. I can put maybe even trim down here, put trim on down here, trim on here. Still gotta do some work here. This piece I'm still waiting on the decals. There's a lady making the decals up for me. This side is pretty much ready. This side is basically the same thing. Waiting on the trim to get up here, and then we can install jacks. So, except for the very front, all the skin is back on. Actually getting back to work on the camper. That's the microwave. That's not where it goes. We're getting ready to, right here underneath this shelf down here is where the microwave is going to sit. The bunk area is pretty well secured. Got to make a shelf over top. There's the corner shelf right there that we made that actually fits pretty well. So things have been coming along. We took all the wood off right through here, all this wood here in front, so we can replace it. We need to clean up this area here again. We're going to try this again. It got water damaged, so we're going to try it again and see if we can get this fixed. As you can see, we have electricity back here again. Everything is working fine, so that's good. And right now I'm actually working on the gas. Well, you can't really see it. I'm working on the gas for the camper, getting the gas resealed up so we can actually, if we need to, we can connect the propane. So yeah, things are going well. Made more progress today. It's Easter Sunday, actually. Anyway, we're about to stop and get some Easter dinner. So I got the microwave in. I gotta lock it down so it doesn't wobble around, but otherwise. And then up here is the refrigerator. The foot locker's sitting here. This has to get mounted. And then the other thing is we got the next piece of aluminum on. It's not fully hooked up there yet, but it's definitely there. So the only piece left is basically from the window to there, and on the sides of the windows, which is they're ready to go. So we're coming along. It's almost locked in. So anyway, yeah. Have a happy Easter, everybody.